1/3 of Joe's monthly savings is equal to 1/12 of his monthly salary. What is the ratio of Joe's monthly expenditure to his monthly savings? I believe I did this kind of question about 2 or 3 videos back. So we're going to use the same method. They said that 1/3 of his savings is equivalent to 1/12 of his monthly salary. So I'm going to draw this one first. They said 1/3 of his monthly savings. Let's see. So I'm going to draw this. Okay. I'm going to split it into 3. Okay. So this one is his savings. 1/3 of his savings means I'm going to shade this. 1/3 of it is equal to the monthly salary. So this one is savings, this one is salary. This is equivalent to 12. I'm going to draw 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is what it's trying to say. 1/3 of his savings is equal to 1/12 of his monthly salary. This 1/12. So same. So this one is the same as this one. Okay. Then they ask what is the ratio of Joe's monthly expenditure. If out of the entire salary, he saved 3 units out of the 12 units, which means that the rest of the units, which are 9 units, is his expenditure, right? So expenditure means how much he spent. He spent 9 units. So this one, I'm going to put this from here to here will be expenditure. So again, if you do not know this word, you need to up your English standard. Okay, expenditure means how much he spent. So this one is 9 units. So what is the ratio of his expenditure to his monthly saving? Monthly saving how many units? Sorry, savings how many units? 3 units. Expenditure how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 units. Okay, so monthly expenditure 9 units, savings 3 units. So you'll be 9 is to 3. So 9 is to 3. Simplify this, both sides divided by 3. This will give me 3 is to 1. See? With just a model, without any nonsense working, okay, you'll be able to get the answer. Okay, done.